Ladies and not ladies, I have a quick question for you guys, because actually this is unlike the RAM and stuff, because the RAM and stuff I kind of had a preference, but I still let you guys choose because I want you to be a part of this Threadripper upgrade as much as I am. So I have another question, but this one I actually can't decide, because this is actually a hard decision. So cables, as you know, are part of a PC. They come from the power supply and they go in and all that fun stuff, and they power your whole computer. But my cables right now look like this. These are the default ass power supply cables that came with my case. Or came with my EVGA power supply, which we have decided we're going with because save the money, go with something else. So we're not going to use those because those aren't that fun. So I have some choices. I don't have them with me because I'm not going to buy each $60 set of cables for a video. Sorry, we're not there yet. But I have some choices for you guys to make because I really can't decide. I like them all. I do have some preference, but really, I want to know what you guys think. So I have linked 3 different cable sets in the description. 2 of them are actual sets of cables that are specifically meant for my power supply. I have linked a red and white version, which is very nice. I've linked a black and white version, which may go better with the RGB aspect. I've also linked a set of cable extensions. Now, I'm personally not as big a fan of the extensions because you plug the cables you already have into those, and it's kind of extra, and you end up with a lot of extra cable. I mean, that is the only part that's showing, but you end up with a lot of extra cable in the back of the case, which will just be little, cable management I suck at anyway, so it's still going to look just pretty bad in the back, but just know that. I mean, so I've linked rainbow cable, like the rainbow colors of every single color of the rainbow, or whatever the hell. Cable extensions, so just know that the Thermaltake Rainbow ones are just extensions. They don't actually go into the power supply. The other 2 sets are from Cable Mod, which is a reputable brand, and they actually plug directly. They're made for my power supply. In the links to the Cable Mod ones, you'll also see there's other colors, so if you like one of the other colors, put it in the comments. And if you see a different kit, I do want to go with I don't want to say premium, but a nicer kit, one that I know will be, feel nice and look nice, so just know that. And yeah, so if you guys like those or you see other cable kits you think they might look better, put them in the comments. Like I said, links below to the 3 that I have chosen out to pick from. And also, like I said, if you like different colors, if you see other ones, put it in the comments. Thank you guys. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.